Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here. As you can see, this is the chart from Binance. We haven't actually marked this up with any actual levels yet, so we're just going to mark a few up. Obviously, we've got this all-time high here. We'd say there's a fairly decent area of confluence here for, that previous swing high flipped into support here. And we'd probably say there's a level also here where you'd say you're probably putting in a bit of a range for Elrond. Essentially looking something like this realistically, aren't we? If I just change this so you can see it a bit better. This is probably, the kinds of key levels that we are looking at for Elrond right now. We'd say realistically looking something like this as well for maybe another key level. If you want to be, looking at more levels. So as we can see for Elrond, obviously I had this huge move to the upside, didn't it? All-time high at around, I can't believe it was even this high, at around $550. A massive move to the upside, wasn't it? Down from around this level at around, what we're looking at here, $5 at the low in, October 2020, all the way up in, late on in the bull market, you would say. That is essentially 100x right there. From the low up to the high, getting up to around, basically 100x from $5 to $550. So a massive move to the upside. And it's pretty clear in our opinion that, Elrond is obviously a top quality project. Just like every other crypto, it has been absolutely smashed down in the bear market, down well over 90% from that all-time high. And currently looking like it is, putting in a bit of a range, as we can see quite clearly here. We get that huge overextension to the downside, consolidation, obviously forming the range high and low. High, low, forming this range like this. And now, again, just chopping it up in basically, essentially in and around that middle of that range here. Interestingly enough, the EMAs have actually been flipped for Elrond, which is interesting, and it has reconquered both of them as support so far, as we can see, which is pretty interesting in our opinion. You can see here as well, the last time that we flipped bullish on our EMAs was here, where we had a fake out to the upside, where we were doing something similar to this, weren't we, where we were consolidating, fake out to the upside, and then we did roll over again. But considering most altcoins, they do roll over around 90-95% in bear markets before they essentially have a bounce to the upside. You'd say realistically that, Elrond is, getting towards the bottom of its rollover in our opinion. You can see here there's massive bullish divergences, essentially with the price action here just absolutely capitulating, coming down. RSI is starting to flatten out here. Price action's coming down, and then we did get that, bounce back in the range. We came back down, we tried to back test that area, but we didn't even get as far as this swing low here, did we? We came back down, and now looking like we are coming back up again. Over the past few weeks for Elrond, looking like we had a decent little move to the upside here. We broke above both of our EMAs. We've back tested them multiple times, and looking like we're riding 20 EMA here back up to our target. We would say realistically going up to the top of the range here at around $69-70. So just before, we have a quick look at price predictions, I just want to throw the Fibonacci on here to see some of the key levels. And as we can see, just like most cryptos, the top of the range coincides fairly well with the 0.23 Fibonacci retracement. We do need to see this coming up and being tested again. And that would be our next target, considering, we are breaking out of some key levels of structure here, aren't we? I mean, if we take a look at this, we're looking at potentially a key level of resistance like this as well, aren't we? Where essentially you've got your resistance, and then we finally come down, form support here, get the bounce to the upside, and the breakout with the confirmed decent bit of volume, along with, the RSI looking strong, and then obviously heading to the upside here after reclaiming those EMAs, breaking out of key levels of resistance all over the place here, and now looking like we're riding up towards that target. So our price prediction and our target over the next few weeks, we do want to see Elrond heading up towards that $68-69 level at the top of the range here, and potentially doing something like this where you've got your double bottom, equal high, double bottom, and then you start to reverse your trend with higher highs and higher lows. So that would be what we want to see. Obviously, if we roll over, then the support will be at the bottom of the range at $45. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick update for Elrond there. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.